So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can color grade your videos professionally without using any software. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here you have to search for Clydio. You can see the right spelling over there. Once you do that, just simply hit enter. And here, all you need to do is to just simply tap over this all tools option if you don't find the color grading option right there. Here you need to scroll down until you find the option of adjust video. You can see the right over it's right over there. Just simply tap over there. Now it will ask you to upload the video. Just simply upload the video file of which you want to provide the color grading, and it will take some time according to your internet speed to upload the video. Once the video gets uploaded, you're gonna find multiple options to color grade your video. You can see the examples over right there also. And once you are done with your changes, once you are satisfied with your color grading changes, all you can do is to just simply export and save the video to your files as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.